Are you looking for the best solar ovens? In this video we will look at some of the best solar ovens on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. GOSUN Go Portable Camping Stove. The GOSUN Go Portable Camping Stove is a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts, offering unparalleled portability and efficiency. Weighing in at just 2 pounds, 0.9 kilograms, it's the lightest model in the GOSUN lineup, making it a perfect companion for adventures on land and sea, whether in the heat of summer or the chill of winter. What sets the solar oven apart is its impressive speed and reliability. It can cook a meal in as little as 20 minutes, reaching temperatures up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit 290 degrees Celsius when exposed to full sunlight. The technology behind GOSUN solar ovens is designed to effectively capture ultraviolet light and retain heat, ensuring a quick and reliable cooking experience. The motto here seems to be, if you can see a defined shadow, you can cook. Number 2. Portable Solar Oven Barbecue Cooker. This portable solar oven barbecue cooker is a game changer for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Crafted from 304 food-grade stainless steel and vacuum tube material, it ensures safety, durability, and is non-toxic. The innovative design allows for a 360 degrees cooking experience, akin to a slow cooker but with the speed of a fast grill. It's a versatile tool that can bake, roast, steam, and sauté your favorite dishes. The unique folding design and easy setup make it a convenient option for grilling on the go. With a simple two-step setup, it transforms into a stable and reliable portable charcoal grill. The folding feature also facilitates easy transport and storage, making it an ideal companion for outdoor adventures. Number 3. Haines 2.0 SunUp Solar Cooker. The Haines 2.0 SunUp Solar Cooker is a top-ranked solar cooker designed to harness the power of the sun for preparing delicious meals. Whether you're at home, camping, or facing a power outage or emergency, this solar cooker provides a versatile solution for cooking without traditional fuel sources. Its adjustable features allow you to maximize sun power, ensuring efficient and customizable cooking. Setting up and storing the Haines 2.0 SunUp Solar Cooker is a breeze, making it a convenient and practical choice for those seeking sustainable and reliable cooking options. Number 4. Sunflair Portable Solar Oven. The Sunflair Portable Solar Oven is a culinary marvel that brings the power of the sun to your kitchen, no matter where you are, from the wilderness of Alaska to the rugged terrain of Afghanistan. This oven stands out as the most versatile solar oven available, offering a wide range of cooking possibilities. Whether you're in the mood for freshly baked cookies, a piping hot pizza, or the dehydration of fruits and herbs, this solar oven has you covered. Its adaptability extends to accommodating various cookware, making it a go-to choice for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness. Number 5. SOL Cook All-Season Solar Cooker. The SOL Cook All-Season Solar Cooker is a versatile and efficient solar cooking solution that caters to various needs. One of its standout features is its ability to accommodate full-sized cookware, including turkey roasters, making it suitable for cooking large meals. The cooker is equipped with flexible panels that move together, simplifying the process of capturing solar energy and ensuring optimal efficiency. Designed with convenience in mind, the all-season solar cooker is both lightweight and foldable, making it an ideal choice for camping or home use. Its portability adds an extra layer of versatility, allowing users to harness solar power for cooking in different settings.